Tata, I love you. I have class now. No, this is for me. Light. Listening now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's our last class? All of you on video? You will on video, otherwise I want to leave class. Again and again I am telling, you will on video, otherwise I want to leave class. Okay, fine. What we discussed last class?
Nutritional problem, ma'am, in India.
Where? In India, nutritional problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then nutritional problems in India we started, no? I think half of problems only we discussed. Correct, na?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hello? Now listening, no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so half of nutritional problems only we discussed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Listening now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we started the national major nutritional problems in the India. So in that up to protein energy malnutrition we discussed anemia, vitamin E deficiency and iodine deficiency disorders. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes, ma'am.
iodine disorder it will be comes because of lackage of the iodine. So usually that iodine we are going to taking through the salt and it will be helpful to maintain the endocrine gland. Yes, na? That is thyroid gland. So for the thyroid gland, it will be having very much helpful to release the hormones of T3 and T4. Understood now? And in the endocrine today, thyroid gland I told no. So when we are going to taking this iodine, it will be enters into the bloodstream, and from that bloodstream, this thyroid gland is going to reuptake that iodine. That is we can tell iodine trapping. I said no.
Yes, ma'am.
It means that For the
Yes, ma'am.
thyroid gland, there is the essential of iodine will be there. If you are not having iodine properly, that iodine deficiency is there means, so people will get iodine deficiency disorders. Understood now? So this iodine deficiency disorders not only a problem, it will be, it is having many of the people are going to suffering with this problem. And Himalayas, where the people are staying in Himalayas, no, that people also going to getting this problem. And along with that, if you see this one, 71 million people's populations are going to suffering with this goiter, lackage of iodine. Goiter will come more. That's enlargement will be occur for the thyroid gland. That is a goiter. You know, na? Goiter means because
Yes,
of
ma'am.
iodine.
Yes,
will
ma'am.
come, okay? So 8.8 million people are going to suffering with this iodine deficiency. Clear now, all of you? And next is the low birth weight. So more than 20 million infants means people, nothing but infant is from 1 month baby to 1 year baby, we can tell as a infant. Okay. So in that period, infant we can tell. So most of this low birth weight means disorder, it will be occur for the infants only. 20 million of infants are going to suffering each year with this low birth weight. What is this low birth weight means? Means the babies are going to born with the less weight. So that how much of weight means below the 2.5 grams means 2500 grams, 2.5. Okay. So below the 2.5 grams, they are going to born. Okay. So that is we can tell as a low birth weight. So if you see worldwide, we can be see more rate about this low birth
Normal
weight.
baby weight is 2.5 to 3.5.
Normal rate is from the 2.5 only. So basically 3 kg is better. It's good.
3.
From the 3
Okay.
kg is good. Okay. And this infant with low birth weight who are there, they are the one very much high risk people. Means these infants are going to dying also because of this low birth weight. Understood now? And it's a chronic illness also. So if they are not dying also, whole the life, whenever means up to when they are going to aliving, so up to that they will be suffer with this low birth weight disease only. And along with that, some people may have the chances to get this diabetes also and heart diseases also later in the life if they are going to surviving. Understood now? And people, if they are not dying also, that immune system, whatever is there for that low birth weight baby, so that weakening of immune system we can be observed in the low birth weight people. Clear now, all of you?
What is said, ma'am? Chronic?
Yes, ma'am.
Means babies or infants who are born with the low birth weight. Okay. So most of the people are going to dying. But thing who are not dying, maybe they are going to suffering with the chronic problems. It means that lifelong they are going to having the immunological deficiencies or what happened? Not listening, na?
No, listening only. That's why responding.
Okay. So here lifelong maybe they may suffer with the weakening of the immune system. So you people are very much well. Okay. It means that when you are going to born, you are borning with the normal weightage only. So if you people will get nice immune bodies and antibody against also you may have. Okay. Your body is having the resistance power to fight against for the infections and all. But those people who are born with the low birth weight, okay. So that people, most of the people are going to die. But thing is, if they are not going to dying also, if they are going to survive also, they will suffer with the immunological problems. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is the fluorosis. This is also a disease only. It will be caused by ingestion of the fluoride. Fluoride is nothing but fluoride means, you know, na? In water, fluorine will be there. Because of that fluorine, some deficiencies will come. Understanding, like a bleacher. For the purification of water, we can use this fluoride. Yes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fluorine, then we will take more. Because of that fluorine only, fluorosis disease will occur, okay? So it is one of the water disorder also we can be tell, okay? So when we are going to taking that high rich of fluoride water, so it will be affect the fluorosis for the people, okay? So if, and along with that, we are going to using water in many ways, correct? No, for the cooking, for the bathing, everything we are going to using water only. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
by
ma'am.
using of that water, in that water more fluorine is there, means by using of that water also people all will get the fluorosis. And those people, most of the people are going to using the groundwater or surface water. Groundwater, surface water means groundwater like a well water.
Yes.
So that will be that will be helpful for the maintenance of good health. Okay, so it will not contain more, means there is no chemical in that, there is no fluorine adding in that. So if you are using that water, it will be good for the health. So when you are going to using this fluorine water, it will be have the reasonable cause for the fluorosis. Understood now? So that reason this WHO, whatever is there, it will be given some of the safe limits for the consumption of the fluoride into the water. Understanding, no? So if you are
Yes, ma'am.
taking that liter of water, 1.0 mg of fluoride only we need to add in the water. Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in India, if you see in the India, this problem is very much is there, proportions. Most of the 17 states of the people are going to affecting with this fluorosis. Okay. So out of that 5 are hyper endemic. Endemic means, endemic diseases.
Yes, ma'am.
What is endemic
State
diseases?
disease.
Huh?
Disease.
Outside of
What
this,
is- Huh?
Pandemic means state disease, ma'am. Pandemic is all over
Yeah.
world.
Epidemic means it will be have the spreading nature for the district wise. Okay, it will be start in one particular area, but it is going to spreading over all the areas. Okay, so like that, if you see, so most of the districts are going to suffering with this fluorosis. So the highest rate is there in the Andhra Pradesh only. You know that?
Ma'am, no.
I don't know.
ma'am, epidemic.
Our
Pune
place
and
only the
Madhya
highest
Pradesh,
place for
yes.
fluorosis. Seriously,
What, ma'am?
my place only the highest place for fluorosis. Andhra Pradesh.
Water problem, ma'am. That's why.
Bleach.
Array mental, not water problem.
Bleach,
Fluorosis
bleach,
problem, not water problem.
chemical.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
continue.
Next we can go for the laterism. This also one of the disease only. It will be comes because of consuming of a large quantity of Lathyrus sativus. So it's mean that in human it is going to referring as neurolaterism also we can be tell. You know na kesari dal.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, by consuming of that large quantity of kesari dals, it will become laterism. Okay, and also we can be called as it's a neurolaterism. Also we can be called, and this disease is going to present mostly in the crippling disease of the nervous system. Means it will be affect the nervous system in the human body. So because of that high consuming of kesari dal, it will be directly affect on the nervous system. And some people may go for the paralysis also. Paralysis means there is no functioning of limbs and legs, hands, anything. Okay, so you may see no paralysis patient.
yes, ma'am. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like because of this kesari dals, it's going to occurring for the humans, and it will be leads to the paralysis of the lower limbs mostly. Lower limbs are nothing but legs only. Okay, why means most of these kesari dals are having toxic contents, which will be have the poisonous nature. That is beta oxolyl amino alanine, BOOA. We can tell this. Okay, it will be present more in the kesari dal. Okay, but along with that, it will be one of the source for the protein also. Understand? We can be get good protein by using of the kesari dal, but large quantities we can't take. If you take that large quantities, it will be good to the poisonous. Understood now? So by that, people will get the laterism. Next is the market distortion. So this is one of the economical scenario, means by the economical process, and it will be occur. And when there is an intervention is given market by the governing bodies, mean that if you see in the market and all from the government, many of the marketing will be there. Correct now? Yes, no? From the government, many of the marketings are there, no? Some people will sell for high price selling. Some people will sell for low price selling. Correct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Fluctuating
Yes,
rate.
ma'am.
The ideal situation for the economical reason means based on the current problem, they will be sell the particular marketing under. Understanding? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
So what will happen here if they are going to price means increasing that price of the marketing and all, people will means difficulty to buy all the things. Understood now? So that is the one of the deal for the economical situation. Because of that also they can't take good protein food and good healthy diet also. Understanding? So that reason they will be get some of the nutritional problems. Clear now all of you what is market distortion? It's not a disease, it's a cause of the problem. Okay. Next is obesity. Obesity means you know na, it's overweight. It is the most means we can be prevent this, and most of the people are going to suffering with this obesity. Because of that obesity, what will happen? That tissues, whatever is there in the body, adipose tissues, it will be have the abnormal growth in the body. So abnormal fat cells are going to increasing in the body. That is we can tell obesity. So by the eating of high nutritious food and a highly intake of food also, people will develop this obesity. Clear now all of you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are going to eating junk food or any of the restricted food, understood? So because of that also people will develop the obesity. Almost 5 in one one
junk
meal
food
we can see.
means
Huh?
জাঙ্ক
You
ফুড
don't know?
হচ্ছে তোমার ভাজা ওই যে এই
Junk food
সিঙ্গাড়া
means what?
মশলা সব
Oily food.
কাবাব অয়েলি
Ah, oily foods, okay. So if you see 5 men, especially men only, listen carefully. If you see 5 men, we can observe almost 1 obese people. Okay. So in 6 people, we can see 1 of the women also with the overweight. So you, in some urban areas also, there is a high rate of people of obesity people is there. Tell me the reason why we can see in urban area more.
because they consume more junk food than rural.
Hey, if you see in the rural area, everyone is busy with the work. Correct, na? Not like
Ma'am,
in,
forgot this point. Yes.
but in
Body-
urban, they all are busy with urban only, but sedentary life is there. Lifestyle modification is there. All time sitting in front of computer. Because of that sitting also, they will be get the overweight.
movement, ma'am.
Because there is no physical activity for the body. Because of that reason also, they will develop the obesity. So next is the cardiovascular diseases. So this is related to the heart vascular diseases. And because of the food habit, this heart diseases will comes more. So if you are having any of the lifestyle modifications, eating of this, what is that, fast foods, and along with the junk foods, people will develop these cardiovascular disorders and diseases. Okay. And next is, if you see, means this World Health Organization is there, no? So it's given that some of the journals that for the prevention of cardiovascular diseases. So by following of that rules and regulations, which will be given by the WHO, we can be control these cardiovascular diseases. And along with that, an average about 2 million patients are going to suffering in the India about the cardiovascular diseases. Understood now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
And we
ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
detect this problem,
ma'am.
and along with that, we can be prevent these problems, cardiovascular diseases also. And along with that, 4% of the Indian population are suffering with the heart diseases in 1980. If you see in the 2003, 10% of people only is there. Means by the upcoming days and all, we are having the less conditions and the less diseases only about the cardiovascular diseases. And next is the cancer. All of you know that what is the cancer? What is cancer?
That is death.
Abnormal cell growth, ma'am.
Yeah, there is a cell growth is going to growing abnormally. Okay, so recently means now cancer is very much common. Correct now? Most of the incidents, more incidence cases is there about the cancer. So if you, this is mainly occurring for the urbanization people and industrialization people. Urbanization means who are staying in the urban areas, And industrialization means who are working in the industries, you know, na? Some factories, plastic industry, cotton industry, you know, na? So if people are working in that industrialization also, they will get this cancer. And along with that, because of the lifestyle changes, what is the lifestyle changes? Before and all, alcoholism means it is very much wrong. But now, everyone is drinking alcoholism. Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Now that is the lifestyle now. And this smoking also, before and all, only the men's are going to smoking. Now women's also smoking.
And
So that
son,
is how
madam,
we
that's
can
why.
do changes in the lifestyles and okay. And where there is a population growth also, it will be occur, and it will be occur because of these all the reasons. This cancer, if you see in the India, there is a 55 years of 45 years of the people are going, from the 45 to 62 years of the people are going to suffering with this cancer. And it will be estimate that a life expectancy of the Indian population means many of the people are going to suffering with this cancer at the age of the 70 years. Understood now what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is not
Yes,
a
ma'am.
communicable disease also. It's a non-communicable disease. And diabetes also non-communicable disease only, okay? It's a disorder, not a disease also. And this hypertension also disorder only. And this cancer, we can be prevalence in the India. That prevalence rate, we can be see 2.5 million people are going to suffer. Means the prevalence rate is there in the India. So how we can be prevent this cancer? So you know, there is a type of cancer is there, benign and malignancy. That benign means we can be remove it. Correct, no? Because it is not having the spreading nature. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but death cases are more is there with this cancer. That is 5,50,000 of deaths are there each year with this cancer diseases. Understood now? And
Yes, ma'am.
most people, 70% of the cases are we are going to finding by the doing of diagnostic procedure and all. But most of the cases we are not finding. So they also don't know that they have the cancer and all. By that, without knowing also, they are going to dying also. So that is our mortality rate also we can be see by the cancer. So these are all the problems related to the nutritional problems in the India. Understood now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then anything doubts are there in this national problems in the India, nutritional problems?
Was that, ma'am? 70% of Indian average?
What? 70% of cases we are going to finding. Most of the cases of cancer we are finding, but most of the people, they don't know that they have the cancer under. Because cancer, it will be occur for every organ now. Understanding? So inside of that body, what is happening also, they don't know. So 70% we can be diagnosed and we can be give the treatment also. But things and poor survival people and all, they are going to dying that without treatment. And some people don't know that. And some people, because of the economical status, poor economical status, they can't take the treatment. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am, it is estimated that the life expectancy of the Indian.
Huh?
Explain that line, ma'am. It is estimated that life of that line, ma'am.
Oh, this one, this means life expectancy of the Indian population will increase means. So most of the people, we can be give the life expectancy. It's mean that life expectancy means you don't know how we can tell expectancies means. You don't know what is expectancy.
I know, ma'am, but cannot explain that word, ma'am. I'm getting that expectation.
It means that people, it's not most of that this cancer is non-communicable disease. Correct, no? So these non-communicable diseases, so we can be give the expectancy for them means we can be give the life for them. Understood? That is our expectancy means we can be give the good life for them, future life. But if it is a communicable disease means what will happen by one person to other person? It will be get exchanging that and it will be get the infection also. Yes, no, communicable means, you know, now from one person to other person, it is going to transferring the diseases. Okay. So once it is a communicable disease means we can't be give the expectation for the life. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, tomorrow we will see what is the nutritional nutritional programs. Okay.
Once again, you say market distribution, ma'am. That
Market distortions are nothing but it is according to the price selling. So if you see people are going to doing this one, what we can tell in village areas, cultivation they are doing, no? So according to that people needs, according to the population need, they are going to doing the cultivations. Understanding? So what will happen here when that all the cultivation things are going to coming in the market areas, they are going to demanding and they are going to giving the high price. Yes, now?
yeah, that's happening. Yes.
So because of that high price, what will happen? All the people are not in a same economical status. So because of that, if you take this middle and the poor people and all, what will happen? They will think that to buy that high price of the marketing and all. Understanding? So because of that condition also, people will develop the nutritional problems. Now you understood? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
And the programs, we will see that programs tomorrow. Anyone know any programs about a nutritional program?
What, madam? Don't know program.
Hey, nutritional programs you don't know?
Yes, ma'am.
For the providing of safe food and good health from government, number of programs is there. Yesterday only I said midday meal program.
Midday meal program.
Yes, ma'am.
Food and agricultural organization program. Many is there. Okay. So the main motto of that nutritional programs is providing of good healthy for the people and population. Understood, na? That we will discuss tomorrow.
Ma'am.
Any doubts are there still? All are after the video. So everyone is just simply attending class for attendance purpose. Correct now? Nicely I will give attendance, okay? You don't know about me, na? I will give nicely.
Sorry, ma'am.
Nice Pinto. What you doing in class?
Listening, ma'am.
You are not listening. Doing break dance.
No, ma'am.
You are doing like that kind of all the activities, na? That's why everyone making nice videos.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Then these many days you all are nicely enjoying, no? Without my classes and all. Now again my torture came. Daily 2 classes. Correct, na?
No, ma'am.
Correct only. Yes, na Anupam?
No, ma'am.
Arnab is feeling that correct only. Again his torture came. 2 classes daily. Oh, like that only he is thinking.
Oh, ma'am. No. Hey, have one like you.
Then,
Well.
huh? What you are telling your friends? How ma'am knows these all the truths? Like that you are telling, no?
पिंटू भाई রেকর্ড হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে এসব দেখে ফটেজ গুলো
Then Deva Brata Mighty.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
You, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
Oh,
How much fine you are? Say this.
Huh?
Fine is so you're saying, but how much fine you are?
How much fine means? 100% fine.
This is the correct answer.
Nice answer, na? 100% fine.
Happy from inside?
Yeah.
And I'm also fine.
Okay. Why all are after video? Oh, Chandan Mahato.
yes, ma'am.
So many days later you attend. Huh? Yes, I didn't see it before. Okay, Pinto, everyone written my note now.
Yes, ma'am.
All fundamental notes written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After coming here, I will check. Seriously,
Okay,
I am
okay.
telling.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will
Okay,
check.
ma'am.
Okay, all notes I will
News,
check.
ma'am, when we are going, ma'am? Any news?
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Any news, ma'am, when we are going Bangalore?
I don't know.
Uh,
I don't know exactly. So before that coming only, you finish my notes everything. Arnab, finish my notes everything and bring that notes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I said you write notes, not dancing. Okay. Bye, all of you. 4 to 5 class means everyone will become.
Bye, bye.